Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to change this shop name on Etsy website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course, here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page, and of course if you are logged in into your account, you'll find yourself with this home page and with the welcome back sentence right here with your name or your username. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll find at the top right corner sign in option, and so instead of those icons, from that option you'll be able to log in into your account or to create your account if you don't have one. Of course, you'll be able to do those both options even with your Google account, Facebook account, or even an Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of your creating or logging in into your account, and even it will be much faster. So once you finish or once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself here, as we said, with this home page and with this welcome back sentence. And as we said in the beginning of the video, if you'd like to change the shop name, simply you would like to go to the shop manager by clicking at the shop icon at the top right corner. From there, you would like to go here at the list options and click on settings, then look for info and appearance. As you can see, it's the second option. Just go and click on it, and here you will have the option of the shop title. Of course, you can change the shop title, the shop icon, the order receipts banner, and of course you can link your Facebook, Twitter, shop announcements, message to buyers for digital items. Once you finish with editing whatever you want, just hit the save changes, and when you go to the dashboard, you will find everything is changed. Or even if you go to your shop. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.